start at the bottom of the lock, combing it out. We have saturated the hair with conditioner and let it sit. And we're just gonna start from the bottom and work our way up to the top of the lock, combing it out. Remember, as you comb out your lock, your hair sheds anywhere from 50 to 100 strands a day. So you're gonna have excess shedding coming out of the lock. So it's no reason to worry regarding the amount that's coming out. But you will have shed hair leaving the lock, and it will be a lot. Their hair was considerably longer and they wanted a shorter style and they wanted shorter curls. So we cut half of the lock off. If you want to keep your full length and try and retain all of that, then you would need to just cut the tip to help it unravel. I'm completely done with his whole head. And now we're ready for curls.